Anker, a leading brand in the world of portable power solutions, has recently introduced an exciting addition to its product lineup for customers in the UK and EU. The Anker SOLIX C1000 portable power station is developed to provide users with a reliable and versatile source of energy on the go. This high-capacity power station is now available at a special discount of up to £250 in the UK and €300 in the EU, making it even more accessible to a wide range of users. The Anker SOLIX C1000 boasts an impressive 1056 watt-hours capacity, powered by a lithium-iron phosphate battery. This capacity is more than sufficient to charge multiple devices, run appliances, or power outdoor equipment during camping trips, emergencies, or off-grid adventures. What's even more impressive is that the power station is expandable to 2112 watt-hours by adding another power pack, allowing for extended usage when needed. The SOLIX C1000 is equipped with 4 AC outputs, making it suitable for powering household appliances, laptops, and other devices that rely on standard wall outlets. In addition, it features a 130 watts USB-C port, ensuring compatibility with modern devices, and 2 USB-A ports for charging phones, tablets, and other gadgets. This diverse set of output options makes the power station adaptable to a wide range of electronic devices. Anker's Hyper-Flash technology ensures that the SOLIX C1000 can be rapidly recharged. With this technology, the power station can be fully recharged within just an hour, providing users with a quick turnaround for their energy needs. This feature is particularly useful when time is of the essence, such as during power outages or when you're on the move. Anker understands the importance of user convenience, and the SOLIX C1000 is no exception. It comes with app support via the Anker app, allowing users to control and monitor the power station through their smartphones. With the app, you can easily check the power station status, modify settings, and ensure that you're always in control of your energy source. Anker offers the SOLIX C1000 with the option to include 100 or 200 watt solar panels, allowing users to harness renewable energy from the sun to keep the power station charged and ready for use, even when you're off the grid. This feature is especially handy for those who prioritize sustainability and eco-friendly power solutions. Anker's latest offering, the SOLIX C1000 portable power station, is now available at an extraordinarily discounted price, making it an enticing prospect for customers across the UK, EU, and the United States. In the United Kingdom and the European Union, the SOLIX C1000 can be yours at the incredible price of just £749 and €899, respectively. Meanwhile, for customers in the United States, it's available at an equally attractive $749. This substantial price reduction offers significant savings to those looking to invest in a high-capacity portable power station. In conclusion, the SOLIX C1000 portable power station is a game-changer in the world of portable power solutions. With its remarkable capacity, diverse output options, rapid recharging capabilities, and the convenience of app support, it offers a reliable and versatile source of energy for various applications. The inclusion of solar panel options and the attractive discount make it an even more compelling choice for those seeking an efficient and sustainable power solution. Whether you're preparing for an outdoor adventure or looking for a dependable backup power source for your home, the Anker SOLIX C1000 is a top contender that deserves your consideration. Winter is coming, and perhaps this device will be useful for your life. If you still have questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.